voter fraud in the election of Mamdani some months ago. What do you have to say about that?
Well, I think that's really fundamental to the question of Mamdani's role in public life, because I think we need to start with, was he legitimately elected or not by the people of New York? As a reporter, I think it's really meaningful that there are two other sources of independent voices reaching the same conclusion from other data sets. Some of the data sets overlap. So there's Marley Hornick of Real Elections, who has been pointing out that she has a team of what appear to be private investigators who have mapped commercially available databases against the Board of Elections database. And they found that 7% of the votes, either the voters don't live in New York, or they don't exist, or they have impossible social security numbers. So that projects to larger than Mamdani's margin of victory.